Okay, so a bit of a problem. We've cut one of the vise jaws and we snapped the tip on the router. It's hard to see. It doesn't want to focus. There you go. You can kind of see it glinting right there where we cut the... So with carbide tips, you have to be real careful. They snap off very easily, and this came in contact with the vise while the mill wasn't spinning and snapped it off. So this is one of the bricks or vise jaws that's almost completely done. You can see the cross hatching on it. Got a little bit more work to do on this one and two more the other ones to do, but I gotta wait for a tool to come in, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we got the other tool in and finished up cutting the cross hatching. I'm doing 3 blanks because if something messes up on one, I can get rid of 1 blank and still have 2 blanks to use. It's a little extra work, but I'd hate to get down to the last piece and something mess up and then I've got to start over and do everything all over again. So now the way I did the cross hatching, we set the carbide bit up in the mill table, and I have a swivel vise that we're using, so I can turn the piece based on how I need it set up. So we set it up with the tip here, and the table would run back and forth this way, so it would cut the grooves across that way. Now that gets the grooves that are running this way, but you can't use that same process to get the grooves here. So what you have to do is turn the vise and almost 180, but it rotates. So I did 45 degrees this way and then 45 degrees that way, and that allows me to cut the other set of lines, so we get this nice diamond crosshatch on it. So all 3 of the blanks are done. They are crosshatched, they're milled to spec. So the final thing, we're gonna spray them with the toolmaker's dye and lay out our drill lines, drill the holes for the bolts to go through, and then countersink them, and then this project will be done. So stay tuned, we'll keep going. Okay, so we've laid out our drill marks. We're coming 3/8 off the bottom of the jaw. First hole is at 11/16 from this edge to the center of the hole, and then we're 2 inches from this line over to the mark right there, so to the center of that hole. So we're going to punch these with a center punch to make sure we got a good starting point, and then we'll take them to the drill press. And my helper here has got her head in the picture. Push it down hard. You got it?
Yeah.
All right. Line it up good. Okay. There you go. All right. We got one more to do, and then we'll go to the drill press. Okay, and here's the finished product. They're 3 1/4 inches long, 11/16 wide, 3/8 thick. They've got 2 holes, drilled to 1/4 inch and countersunk with a 3/8 so that the fastener will fit flush to the top of it. I think they're pretty good. So we'll get these sent off, and hopefully they'll fit the vise and do everything the guy wants them to, and we'll move on to the next project. Appreciate you watching. Let's see what the next journey here in paradise brings us. Y'all be good. God bless you.